everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to post anonymously in a Facebook group using your laptop or PC. Whether you're seeking advice without wanting to reveal your identity or simply want to share something privately, this feature is incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in into your Facebook account. Once you're in, let's head over to the group where you want to make an anonymous post. Before we proceed, it's important to note that not all groups allow anonymous posting. These features need to be enabled by the group's admin. So, if you don't see the option I'm about to show you, it might not be available in that specific group. You can see here in this group, I cannot post anonymously because there is no option of posting anonymously. Now let's head over to the another group which has anonymous posting. So in this group you can see anonymous post. Here you can post anonymously. Simply toggle on the button and write whatever you want to create. After you've composed your post, you can go ahead and click the post button. Remember, even though you're posting anonymously, you should still follow the group's rules and guidelines. And that's it, you've just posted anonymously to a Facebook group.